AJ here from Unbounded Pursuit. Next piece of 6 a.m. outdoor gear that we have is the Glacier Gear Grabs, or quickly known as the G3s. This, of course, is the extra large. There's 5 versions. They sell in packs of 4 or in packs of 5, ranging from extra small to extra large. So extra small, small, medium, large, and extra large. These are great little, people have also called them ditti bags. Great way to organize your gear inside your pack. And I'll show you just some different versions of how you can go about doing that. You can see how we go from the extra large to the large, down to the medium, down to the small, and down to the extra small. And in that extra small is what this big, large multi-cloth is in, which is 4x6. So in comparison to my hand, it's about the size of my hand. So if you can imagine just something size of the palm of your hand, add into your backpack. That's pretty nice for the convenience you get of this multi-cloth. So as you guys can tell, depending on how long your trip's gonna be, you may or may not need all these ditti bags or G3s, but that's totally fine. So how I kind of use these in the past is the small, I'm going to have, I'm gonna have my phone scope, I'm gonna have my bino adapter for my tripod. The medium, I'm gonna have more just like fire starter, ace wrap, some basic first aid stuff. And in the large, I'm gonna run food. You can fit so many bags, mountain house, outdoor pantry, other snacks. If I was going on a longer trip, more than a couple days, I'd definitely put my food in the extra large. But in the extra large, you can also throw in your puffy, your rain gear, any sort of extra clothes, socks. And of course, in the extra small, I'm gonna run the multi-cloth this year. But these are the G3s, help you organize your gear in your pack so you don't have so many things free floating. It's really nice to know. I'm gonna reach in there and know it's my adapter for my binos, for my tripod, my phone scope. I'm gonna know and be able to explain to anyone else, hey, my first aid stuff is in this one, and I'm gonna be able to explain or know where my food, my clothes are. So G3s, something you must have in the backcountry to help you organize your gear. It just makes it easier too, because you get back to the tent, and you can just be like, I don't need this, I don't need this, and you don't have to fumble through and have everything laying in your tent. You can have it organized in your tent and in your backpack. So you might only need a little bit of food, boom, you're gonna take the rest, put it in your pack, put the rest in your G3, toss it aside. Your clothes, you might know that you're not gonna need an extra pair of socks, so when you're out doing those day hikes and hunts, you don't need to take all the gear with you just because it's packed in your G3. You can unload, keep your pack organized, keep your camp organized, and make your experience and adventure more enjoyable. Check them out, 6 a.m. Outdoors on their website. Check them out on Instagram. I will post links below along with Tristan's email. He's making great gear to help make your adventure more enjoyable. Go check them out.